Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. We have already covered all the topics of posters. Only one topic is left, that is posters on commercial products. Today I am going to discuss posters on commercial products. So let's start. Posters on commercial products. Product advertising is any method of communication about the promotion of a product in an attempt to induce potential customers to purchase the product. Advertisement usually requires payment to a communication channel. The general objective is to increase brand awareness or to demonstrate the differences between product and competing products in order to sell them. Product advertisement can be done through numerous communication channels. Some common channels are listed here: television, radio, print, that is newspapers and magazines, mail, that is flyers, circulars, coupons, websites, social media, signs and billboards. One of the methods to advertise is to make beautiful and eye-catching posters. There are more than 25 posters. You can download it by clicking the link at the description. Print it in color in A3 size paper. Copy them and color in your A3 size drawing book. For more such images of posters, please visit the site allfreedownload.com/freevectors. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any doubt or query, please put a note in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.